In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your contacts ready in a spreadsheet and where to start the import inside Freshsales, so your data lands in the right place without headaches. First, let's prepare your file. Freshsales supports two formats, CSV and XLSX. You can use whichever your spreadsheet tool handles best. In most editors, you'll choose Save As and select either CSV or Excel workbook. The key is that the data is clean and organized before you import. Make sure the very first row in your file contains column headers. These headers are simply labels that describe what's in each column, like first name, last name, company, phone, and most importantly, email. The email column is required for Freshsales because it's often used to uniquely identify a contact. If the email is missing, the import can't correctly create or match the contact. Take a moment to tidy your data. Keep one contact per row and avoid blank rows or entirely empty columns. Use clear, consistent header names and remove any stray symbols or extra spaces, especially in the email column. If you're using CSV, be mindful of commas inside fields. If your tool supports it, ensure those values are properly wrapped so they don't spill into the next column. If you're working in XLSX, it's a good idea to replace complex formulas with their final values, so what you see in the sheet is what gets imported. Now check your file size. It needs to be 5 megabytes or less. You can see the size by looking at the file properties on your computer. If it's over the limit, consider trimming unnecessary columns or splitting your contacts into a couple of smaller files. Give the file a clear name so you can find it quickly during import. Once your file is ready, head to Freshsales and log in. Navigate to the Contacts tab. This is where all your people records live, and it's the right place to begin the process. Click Import Contacts. That's the starting point for bringing your spreadsheet into the system. From here, Freshsales will guide you on screen with the remaining prompts so you can review how your columns line up and proceed confidently. If you don't see the Import Contacts option, make sure you're actually in the Contacts tab and that you have the right permissions for imports. And that's it. You saved your contacts as CSV or XLSX, confirmed the first row is headers with an email column, kept the file at or under 5 megabytes, and navigated to Contacts to click Import Contacts. You're now set to bring your data into Freshsales smoothly.